Hi, my YouTube family. This is Melody from Home Garden and Fashion. I thank you so much for being here today. Today, we're going to have a wonderful time together. So, I have the salt, and then I have some grapes, green grapes, and then I have some bread. It's just regular bread. And then I have some red onion, some red grape, some flour tortillas, and frozen beans. Got 4 packages of them. Garlic. This is turmeric. Looks like ginger, but this is real turmeric. This was really cheap at the Indian grocery store. This was like $1.79 per pound, which is never. They usually like $6.99 pounds, so I don't know why. And it's a 4 cilantro bunches. Now I make cilantro chutney and just eat it every day. This is a really green drink, you know, it alkalizes your body. If you can eat cilantro chutney every day, most likely you're never gonna be sick. And green chili pepper, some ginger. See, these gingers, they're nearly not so good. I like the organic ginger because they look good, taste good, and they last long. But the regular gingers, they anything which is non-organic, like GMO food, they all get bad really quickly, get fungus, mold, get bad. But anything organic lasts long. But it's more expensive, you know. So got some pumpkin. I get with the seeds so I can grow the pumpkin leaves and I eat the leaves. Never got pumpkin. I did get some pumpkin years back when those were like huge. I got like some 10-15 pounds, but not lately because you know, the squirrels, they eat up the as soon as the little buds come, they eat up. I got some lemons. So I got 3 like pumpkin wedges. And this is like little masala idli, and these are really tasty. And then I have some bitter melon, my favorite thing. I wish I had a little bit more. I didn't pick up so much, but I usually like to pick up a lot of these because I really love them. They're bitter, but they're really tasty, and they're really good for you because if you eat bitter melon daily, most likely you're not gonna be sick. So I got some paneer. I saw this paneer, so I got some paneer. And then I got this bay leaves. I put it in my tea. And then I got this. This is packaged. This is chole. It's like one kind of lentils, red lentils. And this is another lentils. And these are actually cooked already. And I'd have tried it. They really taste good. And then it's enough for one person. And then I got this palak paneer, and I got the paneer for this one because I got quite a few packages of these, but the paneer in this one is very little amount, so I got some to add to it. And this is soya chunks, and I haven't eaten meat for years, like could be 10 years or longer, and I think that's the best decision I have ever made because not eating meat, fish, egg, dairy is sugar. And sometimes I do eat gluten, but I like not to eat it. So those are the best decisions. It's really good for your health, especially the meat, egg, fish, you know, kinds of animal eating. So, but I do have to buy it sometimes because some friends comes or somebody comes and they eat it, so then I have to cook it, or family comes and they eat it, then I have to cook it. I don't like the smell, but you know, sometimes you have to do it for your friends and family, so it is one of those things. So this garam masala, and this is the snack food. There's all kinds of lentils and nuts in it. There's another variety of this, and these are the spice. These spices, they're very tiny little. I would rather get a huge quantity, but this is different varieties. I like to add a little bit in my cooking. So there's all kinds of, they're very tiny, but sometimes they're okay. This fish masala, but you can add it to any of your vegetables. Tastes really good because there's nothing fishy about it. It's just the name. So it's just same thing. So this is another spice. This is, I got one of the soup. They are loaded with salt, but I add a lot of vegetable to it, so it tastes good. And this is something, it's very healthy, and this is usually taken 1 teaspoon early in the morning with a tall glass of warm water, and it has all the herbs and the spices, and it's really good for the health. So yeah, I take this. And this is the ghee, this ghee is also good. Early morning, 1 teaspoon on empty stomach, and that really, it has a lot of benefits, and I personally felt a lot of benefits. And it's for the pain, actually pain is caused by a lot of gas in the body, and it reduces that ghee. So I got this rice, crispy rice cereal, and I got this buttermilk, this mix for the pancake, and I have tons of eggplant. Now this eggplant is really good. Like I make saute eggplant or fry eggplant in 1 teaspoon oil. It tastes really good with bread, the tortilla bread or anything. So yeah, so this is my haul for today. Hope you like it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share, and I'll see you with many more. Bye bye.
Hi, thank you so much for being here today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share this video. Thank you. May God bless you all.